you get a pretty good view of it.
So non-stop lightning. I've never seen anything like this. It's off to the side over there too. This is like War of the Worlds.
How can it be that much?
I have no idea. I've never seen anything like that. It won't stop. Stay on this one because there's. It's like the same spot over and over. How is that possible? It's over there as well. Try to back up and get both.
It's like it's stuck. And it's just the lightning stuff. It is like that movie. This is just like that movie. You sure that ain't a UFO? In the middle.
Whoa.
It looks like a UFO.
See that one?
Definitely weird.
This isn't even real.
Is this another sign for your birth?
Yeah, it's a sign of something. I'm just gonna stay on this. This is gonna make news. Yeah, that was a big one. Alright, let's back up, try to catch them both.
What can tell us something?
I have no idea. That's the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. I mean, for it to just keep going in the same spot. This is going to be on the news.
Well, you got a good shot.
Yeah, probably my video. What in the hell?
And it just keeps doing it.
But you don't actually hear
What?
close thunder.
Not with this one.
Why wouldn't you keep hearing this rolling thunder? Whoa.
That's a shot. This is another shot.
This is. I've never seen anything like this.
It's like every 5 seconds.
Here, now you're starting to hear it all.
Getting a good shot.
Have you ever seen this?
Yeah. No, just watch it one time. It's not even real.
This doesn't even make sense. This has been like a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
It's been more than that. It's
Nonstop.
almost 5 minutes.
Now you're seeing bigger lightning.
Yeah, bolts. Well, what's that other shit that's coming out of one spot? Well, if you got this on video, you're
Yeah.
not gonna see this too much.
I feel like it's going to make the earth shake.
I don't know. It's gonna be fun.
Like the wind's picking up. Watch it be just this most bizarre thing. I'm like capturing an event.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
that struck somewhere.
This can't be real.
This can't be normal.
I'm on 6 minutes.
Yeah, 6 minutes of it.
And isn't that somewhere landing each time? Or, well, it's not really lightning bolts. Maybe it's just up in the sky.
I don't know what the hell it's doing. It was-
There was a big one. See that?
Yeah, that's a bolt.
That was massive. We'll be hearing that in a minute.
But it's not, yeah, it's hardly no thunder.
How can there not be thunder? Wow.
I've never seen anything like this. Not this long. It's every 3 seconds,
Mhm.
every 5 seconds.
Back up some more. Maybe I can catch more of it. I
Yeah. I've
Baffled.
never seen anything like
I'm totally baffled.
You sure that ain't a UFO?
I have
Flashing
no
lights.
idea. This is crazy. 7 minutes now. Wow. I'm telling you, it's going to be on the news.
Well, somebody else is gonna catch this. Yeah, people are taking this.
How is this
I
possible?
don't know. I just wonder.
Whoa. Yeah, I caught that.
And somebody really getting pounded somewhere over there.
I mean, how? How are they even going to get through that if it's actually hitting the ground? It doesn't look like it's hitting the ground each time. It looks like it's up in the clouds.
It's that one just was straight down.
But how can it just keep doing
I
this?
don't know.
8:45 now. Be the longest video I've recorded out here.
It's like non-stop light.
That's just,
It doesn't stop. It's not even real. And it's everywhere. It's over there. It's everywhere.
well, if it starts over top of us, it's going to be
Yeah,
real
we're gonna have
freaky.
problems. That goddamn thing's gonna trip me anymore.
9.5 minutes. So we're going to hit almost 10 minutes of non-stop lightning. Yep, that was a big one.
You definitely got a sign for your birthday. Not sure.
Yeah,
what
it's
this
something.
means. Cause I have never seen nothing like this.
Mm-mm. All right, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Comes some thunder.
This is crazy.
Yeah, 11 minutes.
Mm. Look, there's a rat over there.
Where?
Right by there running. See it running? It's out running in the rat yard. It just ran over the.
Oh,
I guess
nice.
it scared the rat. It's scaring the rat. They're going. They don't know what the hell is happening. They're going,
We've never had rats.
no, he just went running, scared.
Animals know before we do.
He's probably wondering what's going on.
This is just unreal. Whoa.
That one was a sharp one.
12 minutes now.
Yeah. It's scaring the rats.
I was going to say it's slowing down, but it's not. It's just honestly speechless. Never seen anything like this in my life.
Well, you know, if it's scaring the rats, something's wrong.
Yeah.
Because he went running.
Oh, there go the fire engines.
Yep. Well, something probably got struck.
Well, you're going to hear everyone known to man out there.
Yeah. There was a couple sharp ones.
It's going to turn into like
Massive problems.
what is it doing?
I don't know. I just never seen it do this. It's going on 13 minutes.
Holy shit. Okay, now you bark.
Yeah.
13 minutes later.
Yeah.
You're going to hear a bunch of emergency vehicles.
That's kind of close.
Yeah, everybody's looking.
Yeah.
I swear it's like War of the Worlds.
Yeah.
Remember how
Yeah.
Tom Cruise is standing out there and they're all looking out of their backyards? I'm laughing. Watch it be true.
I don't think anybody's ever seen anything like
No. Holy
that.
shit.
Got that one.
It's going to make news.
Weird. It's moving over there a little.
Yeah, you can see it's kind of going over to the right.
I bet something got struck. That's gonna be cool to watch later.
Mm-hmm. My arms are getting tired.
Oh, we don't have to hold no more.
Well, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah. still just going and going.
It's 15 solid minutes.
Mm.
Oh. Look, everybody's
They're
out.
all probably taking, they're all doing the same thing, taking the pictures because they've never seen anything like it. It's creepy. It really is. It's
I
scary.
wonder how much longer this was going on before you
I
started
don't know.
noticing it.
I think it just started.
Guess I'll keep going until I run out of space. I have probably hours worth on this computer. I mean, on my phone. Still hear a bunch of emergency vehicles again.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
And I wonder, look at how it's striking.
Yeah, it means it's definitely hitting
probably
things.
people. It's probably hitting
It
houses.
doesn't seem to be coming this
No,
way.
it's over there. Good. I hope it stays there.
Yeah, stay in one area.
And we can just watch.
17 minutes.
Mm.
Wow. It's kind of slowing down, I think.
Not as bad as it was, but it's still doing it. Well, it was slowing down.
Whoa.
What's the 19 minutes now?
18. I can't believe I've been standing here for 18 minutes. Doesn't even feel like it. I see it's moving over there.
Yeah.
That's why I thought it was slowing down. It's just as active, but it's over in another area.
Towards June.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Or Sloan or whatever. Probably Sloan.
Have you ever seen anything
Not this long.
like this?
Not this long.
It's coming up on 20 minutes.
I'm surprised you're not hearing more firing.
Mm-hmm. I think that was from the those two big lightning bolts we saw
Yeah.
earlier. See, they're going across the sky instead of straight down.
Yeah.
So it's like a bunch of it's staying in the clouds.
Yeah.
You could smell rain though.
Yeah. Some places getting cloudy.
So over 20 minutes.
Wow.
I'll go for 25. See if I can hold on this long.
Well, you will have to if it stops.
It's pretty amazing.
It's a long time. Close this without my house.
All right. It'll probably run up my leg.
It's maybe that's scary than that. It really is like that movie. You know?
Mm-hmm.
How many minutes now?
22. starting to get windy here. I have to go in. Trying to make it to 30 minutes. Whoa. Oh, we're right at 30. Tornado? I'm about to come in. It's been 30 minutes. But this wind is starting to kind of be a little scary. Could that have been a tornado? It's still going. Mm-hmm. It feels like it's heading this way. I just can't believe it just hasn't stopped all this time. Literally for 30, it's over 31 minutes now. My arms are getting a little tired. Yeah, wind's kicking in. About time to go inside. 32 minutes of non-stop lightning. And counting. Can we hit 35? Let's see. Whoa. All right. If we can make it to 35, I'm going inside. It's 34 right now. I got one more minute. I'm coming in. It's just getting kind of... Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. There you go. 35 solid minutes of non-stop lightning. And there goes the wind. And it's time to go inside. Ciao.